So I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyebrows. I already did the foundation before I got on here, and I did a little bit of contouring. The brand that I usually go to is Anastasia. I use chocolate on lighter skin clients. And then for myself, I use ebony. I'm one of those that used to use black. Yes, we all did it at some point. So no to black no matter what, okay? But I've been pretty lucky using these two. Like, I've never really needed anything more. It goes really good on darker skin as well. This one, I guess they call it Dip Brow Pomade. I want to give you guys a proper name. I say this thing. So sometimes it could get dry, so I usually because I mean, obviously there's still a lot of product in here, you guys, so I usually like just to revive it because it can get dry once it starts getting to the end. I put a little drop of that in there. It's Duraline, and you can get it at Nigel's. They don't carry it at Namie's. They don't carry it, or you have to go through them. Like Inglot is a specific brand that I use. I love it. Typically I draw the line from here all the way out, and then I sweep it out like this. Right now it looks like it's coming out. I'm not trying to get too crazy. It's not like oh, see how it just ran and then it skipped? It could do that. I'm drawing it out, and then as you can see, I'm concentrating more on the tail because for me, I want to make it longer. Like, my tails are kind of short. I'm dipping in here. And no longer like doing the longer strides here. I'm gonna start coming in here because what I want is a blended look in here. See? And even if it just doesn't even like look perfect, see how I just smeared it? Even if it doesn't look perfect, just ooh, that's not, that means that this has way too much product, so let's clean it. Don't panic. Clean it. You're gonna need, besides this product, you're gonna need like something to clean with, because when you work with dark colors, there's always a chance that you're gonna get it all over the place, just like red lipstick and but the point here in doing eyebrows is making sure that this looks blended in, and then even if you go darker at the ends, that's okay, but this is really gotta look really natural, okay? You still have to brush it out. Okay. Brush it into your hair. Here, I could either dab it like this, or I'm going to go over it with the pencil anyway. Okay? See, like I just dabbed it with the leftover product, so, no makeup shall go wasted. I have different eyebrow pencils that I use. I use Morphe and I use Anastasia as well. These two, definitely, this is half the price. I don't know which one lasts longer. I think this one's gonna last you longer, but at the end of the day, you can get 2 of these or maybe even 3 of these for the price of this one. So, but they both work well. I'll try the Morphe one since we're talking about it. If you want this part darker, then this was where I would put the pressure, right over here. And then very soft over here. See, it loses its shape. It's okay, because you're going to come back and clean it. Okay? The darker the better. Okay, perfect. So here, I don't know if you can tell here, but if I look at it here, this eyebrow is super light. but I mainly use the other product to shape it. It's easier, like there's just, you know, everybody's different. Some people can shape quicker with you know, a pencil by itself. I you know, the pomade really helps me, the one I just used, to shape it, and then I come over it with the pencil and darken at the ends. So you can use lots of different types of brushes if you wanted to. So now I'm sweeping it. So I cleaned it with this brush. I'm using a different brush. The other one that I used on this one was bigger, and then it didn't give me the lines that I wanted. So I came in here and I used this one. So I used these two for this one. And now I'm using this one and this one to sweep it out. I think the smaller the brushes around your eyebrows, the better, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to create clean lines. It's good to have different options in brushes, but if you have one that you're consistent with and that you like the way it looks, then keep it. You don't need all these brushes. You definitely need one of these. I would recommend definitely like a pencil in the product itself, but in terms of brushes, just find something that cleans you, that you can still, like, that you can use as like sliding and correcting. Maybe in this next one I'll give you guys more explanation on how to use the brushes as well. But so what I did was I'm sweeping this color off so that it blends in, and then like I was saying, I'm picking this up. That's the eyebrow, and I'm just gonna start using it. And like I said, I went really high on this one, so I'm just gonna bring it down so it matches the other one, and then I start making it darker. What I use is definitely a concealer, because you're gonna need it to clean. This is really important. You're gonna need cleaning brushes as well, and you can use different ones. You want the top of your eyebrow to look as natural as possible, and that's the key. And then the bottom, yeah, like you can go really, you know, not, I don't say harsh, but define the lines a little bit more. So definitely define lines like around this area, and you know, fine lines here, but like you see, just leave a little bit of hair right here, and then same here. That's basically it. Start, you know, start from the ends. Don't go super dark in the middle here. Make sure that they're aligned with your nose and your eyes as well. Message me if you guys have any questions. Tell me what else you guys want to see. Tell me what else. Let's do this. Bye, everyone.